I love dumplings, and I think you should too. One of my favorite memories as a child was watching my grandmother make trays and trays of them in our kitchen. As I grew older, I was able to adapt her recipes to my tastes, like these beef and coriander dumplings served with spicy chili oil. They're super easy to make and delicious to eat. Finely chop green onions, coriander, ginger and garlic, and mix in a large bowl of ground beef with salt, white pepper, and the secret ingredient, Szechuan peppercorns. There's different ways to make dumplings. Get a pack of wheat flour dumpling wrappers from your favorite Asian grocery store. They're in the fridge, or you can even find them frozen. Moisten the edges with some water and then fold and pleat. This is for the dumpling making pros. Pinch and squeeze for the newbies, or you can even use one of these things. Top your boiled, steamed, or even fried dumplings with your favorite chili oil, crushed roasted peanuts, scallions, and cilantro. These make for a great snack or a hearty meal. Dumplings are so versatile, you can literally fill them with anything and they're a hit every single time. Enjoy!